I wanted to give my friends these gift cards for Christmas, but my wife said I need a card for them to go inside of. I just said I'll make one on my computer. She said okay. So that's what I'll do. Okay. Okay, let's design our own. And that looks Christmassy. It's almost like stained glass. Like, yeah. Choose a graphic by name. Yes, a Christmas tree. Yes. Large, yes. I don't know. This one's fancy, but this one's also fancy. Party sounds fun. Go with that. Merry Christmas. Do I want to center it? No. I want it to be at the top. Should I do the... I feel like I should do something different for the inside. No. I'll go with... Let's do the balls. It looks like Christmas balls. No graphic on the inside, but let's just make our fancy text. And okay, my wife says to make something personal. You know, just like your friends. I think. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being, no, yeah, no. Thank you for being, no. Thank you for being so, thank you for being a person it's always so hard. Thank you for being a person I know Sheldon, they call me Sheldon. I don't know why. Thank you for being a person I know. From Sheldon. Yeah. Yeah. it's perfect. Oh, it's perfect. See? My wife will be impressed.